And our bite of the week comes from a Trelawny businessman who is making a special request to Prime Minister Andrew Holness as he desperately tries to save his business. Here's our bite of the week.
I'm willing to leave, but I need like 2 years. I need like 2 years to make back my money when I spend here. And it's an investment, you know. So if I get 2 years in Trelawny, I leave, you know what I mean? I'm willing to leave, but I need at least 2 years. And that is why I'm out here appealing to the Prime Minister, and I'm appealing to the public, and you understand, for me to have my shop here so I can operate for at least 2 years. I have a 5-year lease, but I'm willing to operate for 2 years and leave.